What did you want?
Lay down on the floor.
What do you want to do?
Lay down on the floor in my hair. For me in bed.
Are you okay?
Who's that?
Take it.
What's his first name?
Hang on. Take it.
Abraham Lincoln.
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to be spun first?
Yeah.
You want to be thrown on the bed?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Again.
Good. Here, stand up on me instead. Do it that way. Not that way.
No knees.
On your knees. Stand on your feet. I'll grab you by your ankles.
Again.
Again, on your knees.
Yeah.
Okay.
One. Bounce up.
Okay, we gotta count to 10, okay?
10, 3, 1, go!
Here, sit on me. 1,
2, 3.
you gotta say the word. Say the number.
Never. Number 10.
1,
1,
keep going.
2, 3, 4.
What comes next? Can you count to 10 and I'll throw you? Count to 10.
2, 10.
1,
1, 2.
here. You wanna do backpack?
No.
Okay.
For me, bet.
Go to bed? Okay.
Mhm.
We'll count again later.
Please, stop. Please, stop.
1, 2,
3,
4. What number? Let me get something.
Raise up me. For me, bet.